Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about the top 3 things I dislike about memory foam. I personally sleep on the Tempur-Pedic Pro Adapt Soft. The 3 things that I dislike the most, number 1 being slow response. So if I'm ever tossing and turning or switching from my back from my stomach, which I do, it's very slow response. So when I turn around and I go to my back, I feel the crevice from when I was laying on my stomach. And I don't like that. With innerspring, it's kind of instant as far as response. Number 2, I don't like the response from temperature. So when it's cold, it's a brick, it's rock hard. When it's hot, it's kind of loosey-goosey, I guess. Very responsive as far as temperature goes. And lastly, the thing that I dislike is the stuck in the mud feeling, which is the best way I can describe it. You're stuck in the mud, you lay in it, you're kind of stuck in it. You conform to it, it kind of conforms to you, and it feels a little weird. But what I do know is that I'm getting the best comfort and support in any mattress, and I'm okay with that, having those 3 things that I dislike. One thing that I would recommend is going to something like a hybrid. You get the best of both worlds. You get the great comfort of memory foam, but you get the traditional support of a innerspring mattress, but usually they're pocketed, so it's individually pocketed to help you give the best support at night. So if you're ever looking for a mattress and you do want to go into memory foam and get the best comfort, I'd always recommend looking at hybrids first. That's all I got. That's the top 3 things that I dislike about memory foam. Tune in next week. Thank you guys for tuning in to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.